I'm not a candidate of rotation. Neither am I a candidate of rotation or zoning. I'm a candidate of justice. Maybe the Southeast or the South has not been able to present their matter very well before the rest of Nigerians. I'm sure if you tell to a Muslim, a northerner, and say to him, remember my friends from the north, and my brothers of the Muslim Ummah, that remember that the principal cardinal point upon which Islam is built is justice. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam acknowledged the fact that in Qur'an chapter 16 verse 90, it says, Inna Allah Yagmur Bil Adl Wa Ihi, saying, verily God commands justice and fairness. It's for this reason that I think Nigerians may not know that at this crucial point, when zones have attempted the presidency of Nigeria, and when it feels like it's a turn for the Southeast, another night will come out. It's simply saying to the Igbos, who are you? That's a feeling. Or a Southwest, our brother from the Southwest will come, I want to be a president. You should not be. He's simply saying to Igbos, who are you? We must never do that, so that children yet unborn may not feel that they're not part of this country. It's only on the basis of justice that I speak for this, to give Igbos a sense of belonging. Other than that, I qualify to run with anybody who cares to run. But where that is not possible, we can shape that. But I appeal to my party, the APC. They should allow a play level ground. And Igbos must understand that the power is not given, power is taken. You must go out and reach out to people as you speak and negotiate power, because no one will give you power. But let justice reign. When all this is done, ladies and gentlemen, as I declare to run for the office of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria come 2022, please permit me to be your pilot for the new Nigeria. That I might pilot this aircraft of the new Nigeria to its destiny and safe arrival to destination. I understand as I take off with this plane, as your pilot, there might be some few turbulences. Don't worry, nothing to worry about. Captain Rochas is in command.